total history. Somebody went at that with a can opener. I can see that right now. Holy cow. That's where they buckle. As you look at the number 16 of Jeff Snyder out of Copenhagen. Jeff was driving for many, many years without hops out of the car, hops out of the truck, I should say. The experience for this truck is now in the record book. Everybody gets the winner. It's the number 93 of Rob out of Oneida. He is 2 for 2 today, winning both of these here in Boonville. And those trucks are a total mess.